नमस्कार, दिस इज नीलाद्री कुमार. आप सभी का स्वागत है. It is unfortunate that I'm personally not being able to be present to speak to you in person, and hence this video bite. तो आप मुझे क्षमा करें, but at the same time I'm very very happy that you are helping us spread the word about this very very important, close to the heart project called India Dream. uh, the music that I have been able to experience in my life, in my journey as a musician, I've tried to assimilate very many things which have touched me, and also the people who have influenced me. And in turn, as you all know, हमारा जो संगीत है उसकी उसका जो विरासत है, इट इज़ मतलब शायद ही दुनिया में ऐसा कोई संगीत है जिसका which has this kind of heritage. So, keeping on with the tradition, the heritage, but bringing it to the modern era of 2025 and onwards. That's the prayas, if I may say, that's the endeavor with India Dream. Thank you once again, all of you from the press community, to come and help us do this. And I hope to see you in person in Hyderabad on the 7th of December. Thank you very much.
भी जोर से शुरू से करो कि
हाँ शुरू से ले लो जोर से बात
Good afternoon, and on behalf of RNH Events, we welcome the press for the press conference of India Dream. India Dream is a concert that has been envisioned by the maestro Niladri Kumar himself, and it takes you right from the root of the Indian music to the modern music. As Niladri ji says, that it's like a journey. The musicians also keep traveling, and they have a journey, and they pick up, as they travel, they pick up things on their journey. So India Dream is not just a concert, it's a glorious experience of Indian music, from where it has started to where it has reached. We have reached the global world now. We reached the globe, and as a result, you know that Remember Shakti, which is a mix of India and Western, has won 3 Grammy Awards and has been nominated for another 2 Grammy Awards in 2026. So it's always RNH Events' endeavor to bring the best to Hyderabad. And we started our journey from Dubai in 1992. Ever since then, we have been doing classical events, and we moved then to Hyderabad. And in Hyderabad, we have done Remember Shakti, we've done Hari Prasad Chaurasya, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, the Shiv Hari combination. Then we did Ustad Zakir Hussain with Niladri Kumar. And we did a tribute to Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma by Rahul Sharma. We've done a lot of theatres like Tumhari Amrita, Aapki Sonia, Kafi Aur Main, and the latest was the Ramayan with Ashutosh, not Ramayan, Hamare Ram, with Ashutosh Rana, and Chakravyu with Nitesh Bharadwaj. So at RNH Events, it's not about mass. It's not about the numbers. It's more about quality. So we are very sensitive about that. We try our best to bring the best, and till today, everybody has loved what we have brought. And I thank the Hyderabad music lovers, theatre lovers, or cultural, to appreciate such cultural event. Remember when we were just starting in Hyderabad, everybody said people don't buy tickets here.
In 2010.
In 2010, they said people don't buy tickets here. You have to give all invitations for them to come and fill up your hall. But we proved it wrong. From the very onset, we sold tickets
From the first show.
from the first show. I think our first show was Ustad Zakir Hussain. That was our first show, solo Ustad Zakir Hussain. And that was a sold out show. I mean, every show has been sold out. And it's in this concert, you will not only see Niladri Kumar, you will see a number of artists that are coming along with him. If you know that Niladri Kumar has invented a new instrument called the sitar, which is an electronic form of sitar. It's not a Western instrument, it's very much an Indian instrument, the sitar, but it's just the electronic form so that youngsters could also resonate with it and, learn to appreciate the music. Like they say, jaisa desh vaisa vesh. So the way the Gen Z is going, it was necessary for him to do that, to spread the Indian culture worldwide. And along with him, Niladri Kumar is on sitar and zitar, and on the tabla is Satyajit Tavalkar. On the keys is Agnello Fernandez. On the drums is Sambit Chatterjee. On percussion is Shikhar Nath Qureshi. Flute is Rishikesh Muzamdar, and many more.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు ముఖేష్ అగర్వాల్. ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ RNH ఈవెంట్స్ అండ్ అదే మేడం చెప్పినట్టుగా వీఆర్ కమింగ్ అప్ విత్ ద షో కాల్ ఇండియా డ్రీమ్స్ విచ్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఆన్ 7th of December in Shilpakala Vedika, and the tickets are available at Book My Show. So please go and book the tickets, and it's a fabulous show and you'll enjoy it. We have 6 musicians who are coming over there. The main musician is Niladri Kumarji, who will be playing his zitar and sitar. And along with him, we have 5 more musicians who are going to come and play. You want me to tell everything? Okay. So 5 more musicians who are going to come and play. So please come and enjoy the show.
టికెట్ ప్రైసెస్
तो तब पूरी तेलुगु मेरे को खुद से आती. Ticket pricing are starting from 6,000 onwards to 1,500 rupees.
कितने दिन चल रहा है शो?
एक ही दिन का शो है और संडे के दिन है. इवनिंग 6:30 से शो चालू होता है, तो प्लीज़ आइए.
स्पेशल क्या है शो में?
स्पेशल नीलाद्री जी का परफॉर्मेंस है, जो एंड जाकिर जी का टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ में उनका जुगलबंदी है.